Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. I am so glad that you are here today. So in today's video I am going to be doing a nighttime cleaning, after dark cleaning. I absolutely love to do after dark cleaning because my kids are in bed, my husband is doing his own thing, and I am just in my zone cleaning and I have no interruptions. I also wanted to include on this video some laundry motivation, so you will see that towards the end of the video. I typically like to start off in the kitchen. I find that it takes me the longest to clean, so I like to start off there and spend most of the time there and just have it all cleaned up before I move to the next area. And so I wanted to start off by putting away the leftover food from dinner.
We can take, but I know just what you want. You know just what I need. Even when we go down together. Even when we go down together.
I have learned my lesson from cleaning the kitchen and loading the dishwasher and starting it before I check if all the dishes have been cleared from everywhere. So I wanted to be sure that everything was put away, and I had taken all the dishes from the dining room table. A couple times I start the dishwasher and then I walk over in the dining room and I find dishes still on the table, and oh my gosh, yeah, I do not like that. So I have learned, and now I take my time and I collect everything before I go ahead and load the dishwasher.
We go down together. Even when we go down together. Even when we go down together. You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to.
So for dinner this night I had made beef fried rice, and you guys, I burnt it so bad. I was scared that my pot was not gonna come out, but I did manage to get it cleaned. As you can see, I had a lot of burnt stuff at the bottom of it, but it's good now. It's back to normal.
Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't
hand washing all the dishes, I wanted to go ahead and dry the dishes as well and put them away before I went ahead and started to clean off the countertops and also the stove.
I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win every way. Winning every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too
Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad,
Next, I moved on to the living room, and of course there wasn't much to do there other than putting away the stuff that I normally collect during the day. And then I did a quick wipe down of the table. It does collect a lot of dust, so I wiped that, and then I just folded the blankets and straightened out anything that needed to be straightened out.
Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que te vas. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts to break the nights. I need to know who you're sleeping next to her. Tell me what you're up to her. Te extraño.
Lastly, I wanted to mop the floors. I did not sweep them because I had vacuumed all the floors actually right before the kids went to bed, because I don't like to use the vacuum when they're sleeping. I just don't want to interrupt their sleep or have them stay awake longer than they really need to be. So I did that right before they went to bed, which was quite nice actually. So I got to do a good vacuuming of the whole house, and all I had to do was just to mop the kitchen, dining room, and the living room.
It hurts to break the nights. I need to know who you're sleeping next to her. Tell me what you're up to her. Te extraño. I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm here with the scars that you left me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. I'm here with the scars that you left me. I need to know who you're sleeping next to her. Tell me what you're up to her. Te extraño.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night.
So like I promised, there was gonna be some laundry motivation, and I don't really fold laundry on the dining table, but I kind of liked it. It was the first time I did it, and it just gave me so much space on the table, and doing it standing, it was so quick. But before I got into it, I wanted to find my show on Netflix so I could watch and fold at the same time. I have been watching This Is Us. When you're watching this video, I am done with season 4, and I honestly can't wait until it comes out again because it was such a good show. So yeah, I wanted to watch a few episodes on this night before I went to bed. That was like literally my ritual every night. I watched 1 or 2 episodes. So I'm quite sad that it's over and I have to wait for the next season. So yeah, that's gonna be my life, just sitting here waiting. I gotta find a new show. So if you guys have any recommendation, anything that's good that you've watched on Netflix, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to watch something new.
Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you're still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of motivation out of this. I wanted to just give you guys a little bit of laundry motivation. I know we all have so many loads we gotta tackle, but you know what? One basket at a time and we will accomplish. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new or if you have not done so yet. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.